Welcome back, guys. So this is question 8.3 of chapter 8, and the statement of this question is the reaction times for a random sample of 9 subjects to a stimulant were recorded as 2.5, 3.6, 3.1, 4.3, 2.9, 2.3, 2.6, 4.1 and 3.4 seconds. Calculate the mean and B the median. Okay, so mean can be very easily found out by just adding them all together and dividing them over 9, because of the total number of samples we have are here 9. To find out the median, we have to do what? We have to make them all in order. So in solving them all, first of all, I have told you that you have to make them in order. So let me first make them in order. So the lowest of them is 2.3, so 2.3, and then 2.5, 2.5, okay, then 2.6, okay, then 2.9, 2.9, then 3.1, okay, then the next one is 3.6, sorry, 3.4, okay, 3.4, now 3.6, 3.6, okay. So after it, 4.1, okay, and the last one is 4.3. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 samples. Okay, so this is the solution, and in solving them, first of all, we have made them in order. So first of all, to find out the mean, which is part A, we have to do what? We have to add them all together. 2.3 plus 2.5 plus 2.6 plus 2.9 plus 3.1 plus 3.4 plus 3.6 plus 4.1 and plus 4.3, and divide them all or the total number of numbers we have, which is 9. Okay, so let them add together. So let me add them all here. Okay, so 2.3 plus 2.5 plus 2.6 plus 2.9 plus 3.1 plus 3.4 plus 3.6 plus 4.1 plus 4.3. okay, so this is what we have. You can check it, and if there is any error in it, you can let me know. So 28.8 divided by 9. Okay, so let me divide it over 9 as well, divided by 9. So this is 3.2. okay, so the mean is what? This is 3.2. In order to find out the mode of it, we can see that the total number of the items here we have are odd in number. Okay, so let me use this red color for finding out the median. So 1 2 3 4 are here, 1 2 3 4 are here, and the mid one here is 3.1. okay, so this is the mid number, and that's why this mid number, this 3.1 seconds, is basically the mode of it, and this 3.2 seconds are the mean of it. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the mean and the median of the numbers which we have here. So if you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.